Babe Lash Serum is a cosmetic product that claims to promote the appearance of longer, fuller, and thicker eyelashes. The serum is designed to be applied daily to the base of the eyelashes with a fine brush applicator, similar to applying eyeliner. The formula contains a blend of natural ingredients such as peptides, vitamins, and botanical extracts, which are said to nourish and strengthen the lashes. Some of the key active ingredients in the serum include biotin, panthenol, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid. According to the manufacturer, Babe Lash Serum should be used consistently for at least 4 weeks to see visible results. Users are advised to continue using the serum daily to maintain the appearance of longer, fuller lashes. Before we continue, do not forget to subscribe to the channel daily. New products. Reviews of the product are generally positive, with many users reporting that they have noticed a significant improvement in the length and thickness of their lashes after using the serum for several weeks. However, like any cosmetic product, individual results may vary, and some users may not see the same level of improvement. It is important to note that Babe Lash Serum is not intended to be used on the lower lashes or on the eyelid. If you experience any irritation or adverse reactions while using the product, it is recommended to discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional.